Hello YouTube, the Two Cools 2. This is update 6 of the snowstorm. Blizzard, whatever you want to call it. From January 22nd to the 24th, 2016. It is January 24th, 2 a.m. So for the most part, the snow is falling pretty lightly, along with the fact that you can see it's light snowfall with a mix of basically the snow just blowing around off the trees or the cars or the street or whatever. So you can see it's basically whiteout conditions. And look how much snow has fallen. This is a pretty good, this is the shovel part. If you look into this yard here, the shovel part is equivalent to the height of just a normal snowfall. So it's pretty cold right now. I have a sweater on. I set an alarm to wake up, come down here and do a video. This is nice and shoveled. People did a good job. I'll try getting through here. I had to climb this mountain. See, a lot of these cars are snowed in. They're going to be here for a few days. They start melting. And there's perfect visibility now, for the most part. If I look down here, I know this camera doesn't have that much of a good zoom. It's a pretty old camera. Most cars, they're snowed in too. But this week, you're supposed to get around temperatures in the 40s, so it should help melting the snow. Which is, I don't know how you look at it, I was happy we got a nice snowfall then. At the same time, it's an easy cleanup. So I'm gonna head back towards my apartment building now because I'm very cold. You see a lot of people shoveling this whole time. It's a pretty good job. Good job to those people. Unlike others, people next door who didn't do their driveway. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. As you see, the wind's still gusting, and it's cold. It's cold. Obviously, the temperature is probably 26, 25. And blizzard's moving towards I think it's moving out towards the sea now. So they said the flood in New Jersey, most part, was worse than Hurricane Sandy's. That's crazy. I personally would be moved to Jersey. In those locations, just a disaster waiting to happen. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching YouTube. Check out more of my weather videos right here on my channel. If you haven't seen the previous videos of the storm and developing and basically the whole event, go check them out. I have all the parts uploaded. And you see some cool things like, will depend on the definition of cool. We see the D train over here. Those who don't know, that's a subway line in New York. And they had it disabled right above the street here. And so it was pretty eerie seeing it shut off with no power or anything. There's a plow coming by right now. There's a plow truck pushing the snow aside. Thanks for watching YouTube again. Rate, comment, subscribe, and check out more videos, as I said. And stay tuned for updates. I'll probably do 1 or 2 more videos. Goodbye.